Masapan crew, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do Jamaican Easter bun, and I'm going to do the baking powder version. Now you can get Easter bun in supermarkets across Jamaica, and that version is the yeast version, right? So I am going to sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure that the flour is leveled. To the 3 cups of flour, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So that is 1 teaspoon, and this is half teaspoon. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon mixed spice. Half teaspoon cinnamon powder. So I'm going to use my hand to mix and to combine. You can use a whisk if you want, a spoon, whatever you want to use. I'm using my hand. My fingernails are short and clean. Now I'm going to set this aside. So in this container now, I am going to add 1 bottle of Jagan. Okay, so I'm going to pull it. I'm not 100% into it right now because I did umbilical cord hernia repair. You see me? Yeah, man. So kind of not 100% right now. So I'm pouring the Jagan into the container. I am also going to use about half cup of Malta. So I'm not going to measure it. Just going to pour. Alright, so that is about half cup. Half cup brown sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of molasses. So if you are using the molasses that you purchase online or in the supermarket or anything like that, use 2 tablespoons because that molasses is not as strong as this one. This one is the real molasses from Monimos. 2 eggs beaten, or beaten, whatever the word is. This 2 tablespoons of guava jam melted. 2 tablespoons melted margarine. 1 tablespoon vanilla. Now I'm going to use a whisk to mix everything together. Okay, so you might be wondering if I'm gonna put it on the stove top to eat. No, I'm not. You understand? You don't have to do that. But if you want, you can do it. But me not do it. You don't have to do it. Now, if you're diabetic, you can use honey, or you can use the sugar that a diabetic person can use. I don't know the name of the sugar, but you're supposed to know if you're diabetic, right? You can use that sugar, or you can use honey. And this one will not be sweet because I only use half cup of sugar. This mixture smells so good. This that you're looking at, it smells so good. You can actually smell the Easter bun in that mixture. Alright people, so put that aside. Now to the flour mixture, I'm gonna add 1 cup of raisin. am gonna add the liquid. Excuse the background noise. This is the reality of recording. So I'm gonna use a spoon to mix, and please excuse the sunlight as well. Yeah. So I'm adding the entire mixture. Look at the color of the bun. I want it to be a little bit darker. All right, you see in Jamaica there are different color Easter bun, right? Some are not so dark, some are dark. You understand? So it all depends on your taste, how dark you want it to be. Yeah, man. So gonna add the browning accordingly. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of browning, then start to see how dark it is. If I like the darkness, or if I want it to be a little bit more darker. Yeah. I want it to be a little bit more darker. So for this reason, I won't say the measurement of the browning, because like me say, it all boils down to personal preferences, how dark you want the Easter bun to be. Right, so you add the browning accordingly. And if you notice, I'm not speeding up the video because I want you to see everything. So this video will be a little bit lengthy. If you notice, I'm not uploading video more than say 1 minute of late, because a lot of people who watch the video have short attention span. So I'm not gonna waste my time, but for this video it will be a little bit lengthy. Okay, so I think this color is okay because I don't want it to be extremely dark. So I think this color is okay, and furthermore, when it bakes, it will be a little bit darker as well. And this consistency is okay. You want the consistency to be like this, right? So now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna add what we call mixed peel. Only in the Easter bun you will see mixed peel. The regular spice bun, no mixed peel, just raisin, right? And you can only get the Easter bun during the Easter season, and that's why I say spice bun and Easter bun, they're not the same. So I'm adding this amount of mixed peel. Alright, so I think this is okay right now. I don't want to mix it, over mix it. So alright people, so if you notice, I did not put nutmeg. Okay, that is because I don't want any nutmeg in my bun. If you want, you can add nutmeg, right? So now I'm gonna pour this into the loaf pan. Is I am gonna put some mixed peel. Because with the Jamaican Easter bun, the real Jamaican Easter bun, you see the mixed peel on top, right? The raisins are at the bottom. You don't really see the raisins before you cut the bun. You only see the mixed peel on top. And with the spice bun is the raisin you see on top. But this is the Easter bun, right? So the mixed peel will be on top. And you can add the mixed peel accordingly, how you like it. If you want a little bit or if you want or if you want enough. You see me? Tap it to remove the air bubbles. Just 1 and 2 air bubbles. I bake the bun into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you're using Celsius, it is 180. So I bake the bun for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now you can check the bun when it reaches to the 1 hour mark. So immediately after removing the baked bun from the oven, I brush it with some simple syrup. I mix 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Then I put it into the microwave to eat. And then I brush the bun with it. You know, it gives the bun the glaze look. Now you can use honey and water, or you can use honey and jam. The choices are yours. Now I allow the bun to cool completely. So the bun is moist. That is the most important thing. Yes, so the next day, way into the afternoon, the bun was cut, and according to my family, it is totally delicious, but most importantly, it is moist. So this is my homemade Jamaican Easter bun. Thanks for watching. What would until next time.